Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titingnan natin ang energies ng inyong kaperahan ngayong September 2024. Money, career, finances. What's coming to you in your kaperahan? So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Scorpio. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. Uy, Thunderbolt. So, ang Thunderbolt is about open-mindedness, no? Fresh ideas. May creative force. So, maaring parang magkakaroon ka ng eureka moment ngayong September about what you want to do in your career, ano yung gusto mong gawin sa trabaho, career, business mo moving forward. Maaring may bago kang idea, may bago kang plano na parang ito yung magbibigay sa iyo ng bagong inspiration para i-pursue yung gusto mo, 'di ba? Minsan kasi magkaka-idea tayo, "Ay, maganda pala tong business na to. Uy, maganda pala tong subukan itong bagong career na to." Change of career. Yung iba sa inyo. Oo, it's never too late to change your career. I don't know kung napanood niyo yung interview ni Karen Davila kay Rachel Lobanco, no? And Rachel Lobanco is sikat siya na artista, uh, more on daring role siya nung I think 90s, oo. Tapos ngayon nasa 50s na siya, in her 50s. And from a sexy star, tapos biglang eventually naging yung gumagawa ng ano, yung sa Boracay na may mga fire dancing, yun yung ginagawa niya. And then ngayon, isa na siyang Thai chef. 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 Oo. Yung Thailand cuisine yung ginagawa niya. So sabi niya doon, it's never too late to change your career. Oo. Kapag you can always reinvent yourself. Hindi porket, let's say, nasa office ka for like 10 years na, dun ka na lang forever. Kasi pwede, may choice ka eh. Oo, na i-reinvent yung sarili mo, whatever you are doing right now. Kahit na ilang taon ka na dyan, you're already expert in that. Kaya lang minsan, maghahanap ka ng excitement sa buhay. So, exciting rin yung may mga bago kang knowledge na matututunan, may mga skill set ka na bago mong ima-master, 'di ba? So, that's reinvention ng sarili mo. You also have desert. So, desert is about adaptability. Being resilient. Ayan. So, kung may naririnig kayo na may nag-grinder ata sa kapitbahay. Ewan ko kapag weekends, no? Uso yung mga nag-grinder sa kapitbahay. Anyway, itong desert na to is about resilience. Kumbaga, may mga changes man, kayang-kaya mong sumabay. Kayang-kaya mong sumakay doon sa pagbabago na yan. Okay? You have this unshakable well-being. Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, kaya kayo nagkakaroon ng bagong ideas kasi parang napupush kayo outside of your comfort zone. Oo, na let's say, bored ka na sa work mo, parang hindi ka na na-challenge, tapos gusto mo ng excitement sa buhay. So, yung change na yun na gagawin mo, medyo para sa'yo, risky siya, but at the same time, it's exciting. Oh, you have the sun. Alam naman natin, ang sun, it always symbolizes confidence. This is also about clarity, illumination, kaliwanagan. So, kung meron ka mang mga gustong i-pursue sa buhay, in your career, your finances, your business, ngayong September, you will find clarity. Maliliwanagan ka na. Anong path ang iyong tatahakin. Let's see what else. For Scorpio. Money, career, finances. Okay, so you have, the Magician. Talking about skill set. So you have the skill, the power, and you are finally taking action with that. No? So, ito yung pwedeng innate na yan eh. Nasa sayo na yan dati pa. Pero hindi mo lang ini-explore, hindi mo lang sinusubukan. And ngayon, in September, you have that confidence that you need. Go for it. You have the Seven of Cups. May mga times na mako-confuse ka anong path yung iti-take mo kasi pwedeng overwhelming yung ideas mo. Maraming possibilities, you know. But like what I mentioned kanina, meron ditong clarity. You will know what's best for you. You also have the Eight of Wands. Merong good news. Some of you may travel opportunities. This is also aiming for your goal or for your target. So, kumbaga, you know what you want. Okay? Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong i-pursue. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong tahakin. Alam mo rin kung ano yung requirements niyan para ma-achieve mo yung goals mo. And you're going to work on it. Okay? Also, the King of Wands. Oh, panalo ka. Oo. The King of Wands is someone who has honor. No? Kumbaga, you are well respected in your own right, in your own industry. No? Anumang industriya or areas of life ka nagtatrabaho or nandun yung career mo, yung business mo, you will be well respected. You have a lot of wisdom. Marami kang malalaman pa, no? May improve sa sarili mo, and you will definitely be motivated to work on yourself, to become a better version of yourself. Let's see, ano pa? Money, career, finances. You have the Nine of Cups. So, ang ganda, Scorpio. Kasi this is fulfillment ng iyong wishes. This is also happiness. So, I think whatever this is na ipupurso mo ngayong September, bago man yan or improvement lang sa situation mo, magiging fulfilled ka dyan. Oo, magiging masaya ka dyan. You will also be more optimistic, no? Mas magiging positibo yung pananaw mo sa buhay dahil alam mo na nag-enjoy ka sa ginagawa mo. Pwede rin meron kang mga taong natutulungan, napapasaya. Oo, kaya parang feeling mo ano man yung resulta niyan for you, as long as meron mga taong nakaka-appreciate ng ginagawa mo, then you will be fine, no? You will feel successful. Okay, let's see what else for you, Scorpio. Money, career, finances for Scorpio. September 2024. Ang bilis ng panahon. Birth months na. Okay. Mirror, ayan. Self-aware. Or you are seeing things clearly, Scorpio. You are improving yourself. May mga times siguro na, yes, na-insecure ka. Lahat naman ng tao may insecurities. Yung iba, hindi lang nila inaamin. But, yung insecurities na yan kasi pwede mo yung i-transmute into something positive. Kasi pwedeng ma-insecure tayo, pero ma-inspire tayo na i-improve yung sarili natin. Pero yung iba na insecure, ang nagiging ending, naiinggit. They become jealous of others. So, pili ka doon. You also have childhood. So, ito yung parang, some of you may be healing your inner child or yung pangarap nyo ng bata pa kayo na hindi nyo na-fulfill for some reasons dahil baka meron kayong ibang mga kailangang asikasuhin pa noon. So, ngayon, parang yan yung i-fulfill ninyo. You're also going to revisit your past. So, pwedeng meron kang parang nostalgic, no? Pwedeng meron kang pupuntahang lugar na kung saan you will feel parang nagbabalik ang alaala ng nakaraan. Ayan. Basta inyo, you really want freedom. Kasi for the longest time, pwedeng na i-box kayo sa isang situation na parang very limited, no? Kaya siguro na-realize nyo that you want something new, you want to explore, to reinvent yourself. Honor your own time of harvest, offer your gifts and blessings as service to the greater good. Yes. So, patience din to, no? May mga bagay na kailangan din nating hintayin dahil kanya-kanya ng harvest time yan. Hindi naman lahat ng mga puno or prutas or gulay ay pare-pareho ng harvest time, no? May iba mabilis, yung iba medyo it takes some time. The choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. Oh, diba? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyong clarity. Kung ano yung clear sa inyo pagdating sa decision making ninyo. A new creative venture is on the horizon. See it as a positive change. Yes. So, like what I mentioned kanina, creative ideas. Merong creative ideas na mag-open ng bagong opportunity. For you, it's a positive change. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. Bye.